Adding negative keyword tips. I'm new to running campaigns in Google Ads. Okay, currently I have three campaign types: branded, generic, and competitor. Okay, I just want to ask, when adding negative keywords for my branded campaign, can I simply filter the search term using does not include with all possible variations of my brand name and then add the rest as negative? Okay, let me think. I'm new to running Google Ads campaigns in Google Ads. Currently I have three campaigns: branded, generic, and competitor. I just want to, when adding negative keywords for my branded campaign, can I simply filter the search term using does not include with all possible variations of my brand name and then add the rest as a negative? Okay, you can add, but first of all I like to add that I do not I'm not a fan of running on competitor keywords as a brand name. Okay, although this may be an off topic to your question, but I have never seen good results with that, because the user intent is something different when they are searching for your brand name, and unless and until you have too much budget to spoil, I do not think that this will lead to a very good conversions. It will be just your waste of money. So first of all, remove that competitor thing. And regarding your have branded and generic, the best formula is to look around in your search terms and see what's not working well and simply remove it. Simply add those as negative keywords from your account. So what you have to do is to go to your user account, search for your search terms. So let's say I'm in one of this account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to the over here, I'm looking around for my search terms. So see around over here in the insights what's working well for your business, what's not, and add those as well. And that is how you can select all time and see a data what's working well for you. Look around, where you are not getting conversions, add those keywords as negative keywords when you get ample of clicks in it, and you may seems like it's going to be a waste of money, so then you can add it. And that is how you can optimize your negative keywords list, and that is how you can save money. So I hope this answers your question query. And if anyone is a professional with Google Ads audit, setup, or management, just to let you know that we are a Google Ads partner company with the name of ARSWEBS.com, and you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.